In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get CSV files from crypto.com. So if you're ready to jump into the world of cryptocurrency and need to access your transaction data in a downloadable format, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can effortlessly retrieve your CSV files. Let's dive straight into it. First, head over to crypto.com/exchange and log into your account. This initial step is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access the necessary tools to export your transaction history. So enter your login credentials and get set up on the platform. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left side of the page. You'll want to locate and click on the Wallet tab. Your wallet is your secure haven on the exchange where all your transaction details are stored and accessible for further actions such as exporting. After accessing your wallet, the next thing you'll need to do is select Deposit and Withdrawal. This section is particularly important because it houses all the transaction data that you'd want to extract, whether it's for auditing purposes, financial planning, or simply keeping your records in order. This is where all the magic happens. The subsequent step involves selecting the date range or applying specific filters to narrow down the data you want to export. Crypto.com offers flexibility in how you view your data, allowing you to sift through your transactions by dates or apply other filters to refine your search. This step is crucial if you're looking for particular transactions or specific timeframes that are relevant to your needs. Once you've filtered your data accordingly, you'll notice there's an option to either export CSV or download report. Clicking on this will prompt the system to prepare your data for download in a CSV format. CSV files are fantastic because they maintain all the details you'll need and they are easy to open with a spreadsheet program, allowing you to manipulate and analyze the information as you see fit. Finally, save the CSV file to your PC. Choose a location on your computer that's easy for you to remember so you can access your data whenever you need it. And that's it. You now have your transaction data ready for whatever purpose you intend to use it for. With these steps completed, you've successfully retrieved a CSV file of your transactions from crypto.com. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. I hope this guide has helped you seamlessly access your crypto data. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.